Hello everybody, so today I'm going to be reviewing the head strap by GoPro. It's a quick clip as well. I was looking for something like this, for my YouTube videos, of course, and they sent me this to review, and I'll be giving you guys an honest review on this. At first, I'm gonna go ahead and open it and see what it comes with. So I apologize, I'm doing everything by one hand. So it comes with this clip, which is pretty sturdy. There is a foam on the back side, so, and this is where it goes into your camera holder, and the quality is pretty good. I mean, I'm kind of surprised with the build quality. This is what goes on your cap. So we have this, and this is the main part that I think Amazon also sells something like this. It's like $7 or $8 for Amazon, and it has pretty good reviews online, but I think this is a much superior quality from the one that Amazon sells. Not saying that that one is bad, but this is a much higher, better quality, and this thing on Amazon goes for like around I think $20 or something like that. But the good part is you get this part free, so in case if you need to clip it on your cap, it just comes in handy. The one Amazon does not come with this. So again, overall I think it's a very nice quality. One thing I like about this is on the back side it has this grip which holds on, so if you are wearing some hard plastic or like a cycle helmet or something, this will grip on pretty good on that. And even on your head, I think it's going to be a nice grip because this rubbery material is pretty slick on the back side. There's elastic on the band, so which is good. So in case if it's too tight, I mean, it's not like it's gonna give you like a headache. It has some stretch to it. So overall, I think it's pretty good. So your camera mounts right here. So bear in mind, it does not come with the camera holder, so you need to have some kind of like a holder on your GoPro. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my GoPro and see how it fits on here. Okay, so here's my camera, and as you can see, I already have a casing. And the good thing is it does come with the screw. So there are a lot of manufacturers out there who are selling this kit and the screw is not included. So if you don't have that, you're gonna need to get one of this. So it's pretty simple. Unscrew that from the side, and all you have to do is just put this in and put the screw in. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so as you can see, it fits pretty good. The good part about this is I can go up and down. The only thing is you cannot go left or right because of the orientation, so you're just gonna have to tilt your head left or right if you are planning on doing that. But you can definitely set the angle, if you're making a video or something with your hands and you can't hold it, it fits perfect. I'm wearing it on a cap right now, and as you can see from top, I think it fits pretty good overall from the sides too. And I think once you tighten it, I don't think it's gonna fall off or anything, and I think it works pretty good on the bicycle helmet as well because of the grips that it has under this. So that's the reason it's holding on pretty good on top of my cap. So I mounted the clip part on the camera and try to clip it on back of the cap, and I haven't put it on my head, but it's kind of like flimsy, it's moving here and there. But I think if you have a different style cap, in my case I have this strap on the back, but if you have a full cap that covers the entire thing, I think it's going to be a little bit more sturdy. You can also add this like the clip, you can also turn it on this side. So we're going to go ahead and mount it this way. So this feature I think I love the most, because this way I don't have to put the strap on. This is a quick clip that just goes on the front of the cap, and I think it's pretty sturdy. I don't think it goes anywhere. You know, I wore it and it's pretty firm up there, so it's not gonna, the camera is not gonna fall off unless you're doing really like, you know, heavy running or something like that. But overall I think it stays onto the cap pretty good. You know, I'm trying to shake it and stuff just to see if it fall off, but it's not falling off, which is a good sign. So you know, for quick home videos and stuff like that, your YouTube videos, I think it's a great tool. If you're going to be doing some heavy stuff, climbing, running and stuff like that, then you should definitely be using the strap on top of your cap. You know, that kind of secures it a little bit better. But I think for a quick quick stuff, you know, the clip works out pretty good. The other part is this clip can also be mounted on other stuff, you know, depending on what you're working on, your cycle or things like that. You know, if you have a flat surface, this will go in pretty well. So overall, guys, I love this product. You know, I mean, for 20 bucks, it's a great deal. You know, I would definitely highly recommend that. You know, I think it's better than getting some of the other ones. You know, see over here, they don't show it on the front one, but I tried it on the front and it works pretty good. So if I were to buy this, I would definitely buy this kit instead of, like, you know, the ones that are being sold as single by itself, you know, with no screw on. You know, this kit's this particular kit have a screw. It comes up with this extra part, you know, the cushion on the bottom, you know, so you get two things, you know, pretty much, which is a great deal. So guys, overall, I would definitely give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Please like my channel and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.